down, start.
Yes, correct.
Drive.
That's it. Right, hold on. Wait till the call. Okay, just drive.
Alright guys, we are in the Taycan and this is the turbo, right?
Yes, the turbo.
And supposed to be the fastest of the four cars, and we're just asked to drive slowly to get a feel of the car.
So that's a braking point.
Braking point is here.
So brake all the way. This is a braking zone all the way.
And then how do we turn back?
We turn back. Here we can turn after that cone.
After this marker?
Yeah, that's marker, correct.
Make a U-turn.
Make a U-turn and go to the starting point.
Okay, so that's the drill. What's your name?
Faizil.
Okay, we have our instructor Faizil.
Yes.
And so we make a U-turn and go back to our own slot.
Okay, hold on, stop. Hold on, get the car coming in.
Yeah.
Later we want to U-turn. Hold stop here first, alright? Let them make a U-turn.
I'll turn first lah, then you can turn after me.
Alright. Okay.
I will give him the space.
Okay. For first exercise, we just run normal mode. So
am I in normal mode? Yeah. Yes, I'm in normal mode.
Alright, go to starting box.
So guys, in case you think this film is laterally inverted, it's not. This is a left-hand drive car. And we go to the start box. And what's the time this car is supposed to do?
0 to 100 is 3.2 seconds.
3.2 seconds.
Brake
now
hard,
we are
brake hard.
Brake hard.
Brake hard until there's button hold.
Okay.
Then you just get ready and slam, they will count down.
Oh,
right?
you just slam the accelerator.
That's right.
Okay, steering is straight.
Get ready, stand by. The instructor will count down.
Okay, you ready? In 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, that was really quick. Okay, we'll give him
turn.
space to turn. We'll give him space to turn. Yeah.
That is normal mode.
Yeah, that's in normal mode.
What do you
it's very fast. Haven't got the kick in the pants yet, but yes, it's very fast. Okay guys, that was normal mode and I have no idea what time we did.
For Taycan 4S, 0.05.9397. For Taycan Turbo,
Can you confirm?
05.59.
What does that mean? 0.559. 5 seconds
I'm not sure.
for the drag, is it?
Just say 5.1.
Yeah.
Okay, this time we'll go for Sport Plus.
Okay, Sport Plus. How do you invoke the driving mode?
Brake, stop first. On the steering wheel, there's a knob there. You just turn the knob until we show there's a Sport Plus. Yes.
Okay.
Do the same thing. Brake. Let the whole button there. Alright, stand by to go.
Ready? Okay, in 3, 2, 1, go!
Whoa! Oh my blood.
It's not so bad a feeling. It's quite smooth actually, the transition.
The starting only you can feel the kick.
Yeah, very nice. I think the passenger feels it more than the driver.
Definitely.
Because I expect it now.
Yeah. Alright, thank you so much.
That's it.
Yes.
Okay guys, that was the Taycan Turbo. And supposedly the fastest. And 0 to 100 in what? 2.8 seconds?
3.2.
3.2 seconds.
The Turbo S is 2.8.
Oh, the Turbo S. So this is not the fastest, this is the Turbo.
Yes.
And so this 3 out of 4 lah, in other words.
Correct.
Alright.
Okay.
The only thing I'm not used to is the lack of noise.
Yeah, quite.
I will just take off my camera.
Right. Thank you. Just put
And how do you go to P?
Just press the button.
P.
Yeah, that's
okay,
all.
so easy. Thank you.
Thank you.
Faizil.
Faizil.
Thank you.
This is how the Formula E pit strategy is supposed to be. Do a quick one, jump the outside.
Okay, so that's Winston. Hi Winston. My camera is on looking at you. And okay, here's a view of the Taycan Turbo. That's the car we just drove. And Nice. Oh, I was supposed to change car, sorry. Okay, we are moving cars.
So this is Taycan 4S.
I didn't know there was more driving for me. Is my camera running?
No. Yes.
Yes, running. Okay, just to be sure.
Yeah.
It's running, huh? You can see the...
Yeah, the number.
Alright guys, what car is this?
So this is Taycan 4S.
4S.
Yeah.
Which means it's the
It's a middle.
below the turbo.
Yeah, below the turbo.
Okay, so what do we do now?
So
my driving position is okay.
Yeah, all good.
And we go to drive. And
Yeah. Drive is here.
Drive is here. Ready.
Yep.
D.
Yep.
Okay, hold.
Yep.
Wait for the countdown, right?
Yep.
Is the steering straight?
Yep.
So
Okay.
first one is drive or straight away accelerate?
Can start accelerating.
Yeah, because we all know how.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Woo, look at the guy.
Yep.
Ah.
And brake. So that is what you're doing just now.
Oh.
So he was like, wow, so fast one, the turbo. Yes, I said yes.
Wow.
Totally different, right?
I didn't know that was so fast.
Yeah, that's really fast. We was like, wow.
So that's 3.2 and this is
4.
4.
Yep.
So it's 0.8 of a
Yeah.
second. And that's the difference, yeah?
Yeah.
Not bad. Okay, good way to show the difference. Okay guys, that was a 4 second 0 to 100 run. And the previous one was 3.2. So we'll take a further berth to give him a chance to turn. Yeah, so we don't knock into each other. Seems in the US there were 2 cars in the state and they knocked into each other many years ago. Okay, so we are back at the start box. Let's see whether I can put 1 inch in front. Get a
Okay.
better advantage. Okay, I'm
ready?
on hold.
In 3, 2, 1, go.
This one no sports, no sport plus.
No, you only spot.
Only one.
Yeah, and brake.
One thing good, they have good brakes for this car.
Yes, so the brake feel like the normal ICE car.
Yep.
But good launch. On the starting, the reaction time is like you are totally like jump straight away.
Race driver man. Also, my car was 1 inch ahead.
that one is good. Good point.
1 inch, oi, make a lot of difference, man.
Yeah.
What's your name,
Shah.
Shah. Oh,
Yes.
because under the mask hard to see.
Yes. So last run.
Only
Okay, final run.
sport mode, yeah.
Yeah, only sport mode this one.
Okay,
Normal and
lagi
sport.
depan sikit.
Okay.
Cheat a bit. Hold. Okay.
Ready? In 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, kalah weh. Aiya.
Then the
Sudah
second
kalah.
one, yeah, the second one perfect.
Kalah. Okay guys, here is where a 0 to 100 in 4 seconds
Yeah.
car loses to another one. That was 3.2 seconds and
Yeah.
he was visibly ahead. Alright man. Okay, so that's the end of my test, right?
Yep.
Okay, thank you Shah.
Welcome, uncle.
So go back to the slot.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll do the
Or
same.
can do some review from here.
So now we wait for everybody else lah.
Yep.
Okay, thank you very much.
Welcome.
Good job.
Yeah. Hope you enjoy, yeah.
Sure, but tak cukup